Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine. Remove the drive from its bay if possible. Once physically ready, ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching chassis metal, then position the SSD on a soft, non-conductive mat. You will use a plastic spudger to gently lift an edge of the thermal pad. Do this slowly to avoid tearing the pad or scraping components. Make sure to keep track of screws and orientation markings as you go. You now focus on removing the pad without disturbing components. Peel from one corner at a low angle, using a steady, even pull. If it resists, apply a drop of isopropyl to the adhesion edge and wait 10 to 20 seconds. Once the pad releases, work along the length, keeping the spudger between pad and board if gaps form. After removal, inspect for residue. Dab with a lint-free cloth soaked in isopropyl and rub gently until clean. Finish by doing a careful final clean. Use a fresh lint-free wipe with isopropyl to remove any remaining adhesive and make sure no fibers stick to the controller or connector. Once dry, you may fit a replacement thermal pad sized and rated for your SSD. Press evenly to seat. Reinstall the drive, reconnect power, and boot to test. If you see higher temps or noisy errors, reseat the pad and check for trapped debris, clean and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.